momos. Veg momos are steamed dumplings filled with spicy vegetable mixture of your choice. This Indo-Chinese dish is very famous street food in India and especially enjoyed by kids. So let's go through the ingredients to make it. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1½ cup shredded cabbage, 1/4 cup shredded carrots, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1/4 cup finely chopped green beans, 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, salt according to taste. First of all, let's knead the dough for momos. For this, take all-purpose flour, then add salt, 1 teaspoon oil, and mix all ingredients well. Then add water little by little to knead the dough with right consistency. We want dough consistency to be medium soft, just like chapati dough. Once done with kneading, cover it and keep it aside for 20 to 25 minutes to let it set. Meanwhile, let's start cooking vegetable filling for momos. For this, take a pan on medium heat and add oil. When oil becomes little hot, add garlic, ginger, and saute for 30 seconds on medium heat. Now add chopped beans and saute again, but it's optional to add beans. After that, add shredded carrots, cabbage, salt, black pepper powder, vinegar, soya sauce, and mix all ingredients well and cook on medium heat for 2 minutes while continuously stirring. Be careful not to cook them completely as they will also be cooked while steaming momos. After 2 minutes, switch off the heat, cover it and let it sit for 5 to 6 minutes. Now move all filling to a bowl and let it cool down. After 25 minutes, again knead the dough to get the right smoothness. Now let's make dough balls for momos. I will show you 2 ways to make momos. First one, you make small balls of this size and roll them one by one. Second method is to make bigger ball and then you make 2-3 momos covering at once using a bowl. Once dough balls are done, let's go to the next step to start making the momos. Just keep in mind veg mixture should be cooled down before filling it in coverings. Now to roll out dough balls, apply some oil on surface where you will roll them. Now take a ball and roll into 3-inch diameter disc and make sure to keep the edges thin. Now take around 1 tablespoon of filling and place in center. Don't overfill, otherwise it will be difficult to close it. Now let's see how to close the momos. First grab the edges of covering with both hands like this. Then fold it and press it. Similarly keep folding and pressing. In the end, close the sealing completely by pressing like this. This is how it looks like after closing. Now take a grease plate to place momos so that they don't stick to the plate and cover them with a wet cloth to avoid them getting dry. Now let's see second method. This is specifically useful for anyone who has difficulty rolling round discs. For this, take a slightly bigger dough ball and roll it into around 6 to 7 inch disc like this. Now take 3-inch diameter bowl and press it on covering to cut the round disc like this. And remove any extra dough. This is how it looks like after cutting. Just thin out the edges before filling them. Now fill them and fold as we did before and keep them covered. Once all momos are filled, let's see how to steam them. To steam them, you can use a special momos steamer if you have one, but I am making them in a idli stand. For this, take a big enough pot with a lid where idli stand can easily fit. If you don't have a big pan, you can also use a pressure cooker to steam them. Now apply oil on all idli plates before placing momos in it. Afterwards, place this plate in a stand. Now place momos in idli plates, but I am leaving lowest plate empty so that water does not touch momos while steaming. Now put second plate over it. Just make sure this plate does not touch the momos, otherwise they will stick to the plate above. Similarly, fill all plates with momos. Now put the pot on gas and add 1 cup of water. We are only adding enough water so that water does not touch momos. Now let's water gets a boil on high heat. When water starts boiling, place idli stand in pot. Cover the pan and let the momos steam on high heat for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, switch off the heat and let steam settle down for 5 to 10 minutes before taking momos out. After 10 minutes, momos are ready to taste. So take them out in a plate and serve them with spicy red chili sauce. Momos are looking so yummy, so let's taste them. They are perfectly steamed and the filling taste is just awesome. Momos are usually served with spicy red chili sauce, but you can also use white sauce. This recipe can easily satisfy your and your kids' cravings, so definitely try them at home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. For latest recipes, please follow Neha's Cookhouse on all social media. Have a healthy eating.